Stop wasting money on oatmeal packets that leave your kids hungry. 100 calories is not a breakfast. And you can have a delicious, warm 300-calorie breakfast for just 35 cents in 5 minutes. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org, your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. So let's get you some breakfast. For just 35 cents per person, 2024 prices in Texas, you can enjoy this delicious hot breakfast. So for starters, we're going to boil water for the oatmeal in a kettle on the stove. While the water is boiling, we're gonna place a half a cup of quick oats into the bowl. Once the water is boiling, we're gonna pour the hot water till it's just barely covering the oats. Like so. You're gonna let the oatmeal stand for 1 to 2 minutes for the oatmeal to completely absorb all the water. Once the water is completely absorbed with all the oats, it should look like this, no running water. For flavor, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of strawberry jelly. Look at that. And you're just gonna stir it all together. So it's all mixed up. Serve warm and enjoy. And there you have it. Easy strawberry oatmeal for just 35 cents. Save the recipe below. Let me know what you like to add in your oatmeal in the comments. And follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependency on the refrigerator. Till next time.